Today, we will learn how to add a carousel message template in WhatsDiscuss. First, click on the WhatsApp business account. Then click on Message Template. Here, you will see all your templates. To add a new template, click on this Add icon. Then select Carousel Template. Here, choose either a media card or a product card. In the media carousel message template, you will need to add an image or video, body text, and buttons to the card. But with a product card, you can instantly send any product from your catalog. If you're promoting a product, you should select the product carousel message template, but if you're promoting a service or something else, you should go for the media carousel message template. We are selecting the media card here. Then, write the template name and click Next. Here, choose either the marketing or utility category. We are selecting marketing, then click Next. Now, select the language for the message. We're selecting English, then click Next. Next, in the body section, write your message. You can click on Preview to see the preview of your message. Then, click here to select an image or video for the card. We're selecting an image. There are 3 buttons. The first button allows replies. The second button allows you to add a phone number. And the third button allows you to add a URL. We are selecting the number button. After that, you'll have the option to select a second button, which is optional. This time, we are selecting the URL button. Next, select an image for your card. After the image is selected, write about your product here. Then, fill in the information for your buttons here and enter your website's URL. You can also click Add New Card to add another card and follow the same process to create a new card. Once everything is complete, click on Preview to check your template's preview. If everything looks good, click Save. Your template has been added, and you can click on this icon to view the template's information.